An excellent year this year, the bees. Mightn't be great for the farmers, but it was good for the bees because they had less rain to cope with, so they had more flying time. Every other year in Ireland we get wet June and Julys, so they would not get every day flying, but this year they had to get every single day flying. They thought they were living in the Mediterranean. When the weather gets too windy, I mean above say force 4 or 5, it's difficult for them because they fly a radius of 5 kilometres from the apiary to gather the nectar, and they work hard, but when we got like this year, the calm weather and the sunshine, they had every day right up to nearly 10 o'clock at night from 8 o'clock in the morning to be foraging and gathering nectar. Well, globally, humanity has woke up to the fact that we need to work in harmony with nature. It's not just in bees. We know this with the plastification of our seas and everything else. But over the last 10-15 years, all the beekeepers globally have been working hard to tell the public the fear of not having honeybees. If we don't have honeybees, we won't have any fruits pollinated, and we'll be very, very hungry. So we've told the public, and the public have listened, and the fear of holding and keeping bees is now disappearing. In New York, it was illegal to hold bees in New York City right up until the mid-80s, and then a petition happened, and this in the year 2000 and above, people in New York City are keeping bees, people in London City are keeping bees, and people in Dublin and Galway and Limerick in the cities are keeping bees, and they're finding it a fascinating hobby and a fascinating pastime. Young and old are really taking to keeping bees. About maybe 15 years ago, there was about 1,500 beekeepers in Ireland. Now we're touching 4,000 plus. So there's beekeepers up and down the country.